The Embassy of the Republic of Slovenia presents its compliments to the Director General Dr. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus and has the honor to communicate to Dr. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus, Director General of the World Health Organization, with headquarters in Geneva, Avenue Appia 20, 1211 Geneva, Switzerland. We wish to convey by means of this correspondence that our organization, the Association for Happy Living BELIS, at its 6th Extraordinary General Assembly held during the 124th session on July 15, 2023, has made the decision of complete rejection of the International Health Regulations, IHR, 2005. Our decision is grounded in legal justification stated in this communication with the Annex and is consistent with Article 22 of the Constitution of the World Health Organization, in conjunction with Article 59(1) of the International Health Regulations, IHR, 2005. The Association for Happy Living BELIS operates as an independent legal entity of private law, with its own orientations, objectives, and activities, as defined in our statute. We unequivocally reserve the right to fully reject the legal instructions and other obligations stemming from the International Health Regulations, IHR, as well as the right to withdraw from your organization, the World Health Organization, WHO, and thus from the commitments under the IHR 2005, in a manner consistent with the fundamental principles of our statute. With its headquarters situated in Ljubljana, Republic of Slovenia, and comprising 5,252 members from 32 countries worldwide, the Association for Happy Living BELIS demands that this correspondence be appropriately recorded and forwarded to the competent bodies of the World Health Organization. We expect the proper handling and response to our withdrawal from the World Health Organization, WHO, and the International Health Regulations, IHR. Furthermore, we anticipate that our reservations, findings, and reasons for withdrawal will be duly taken into consideration and accurately reflected in relevant documents and communications between the World Health Organization, the European Union, the Republic of Slovenia, and our association. We eagerly await your official response regarding the coordination of our withdrawal from the WHO and the rejection of the International Health Regulations, IHR, 2005 with all amendments and supplements. The Embassy of the Republic of Slovenia avails itself of this opportunity to renew to the Director General Dr. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus the assurances of its highest consideration. Iviljana BELIS President General Association for Happy Living BELIS.